Today you all spoke a topic on why education is important in our life. You know, for preparing a topic, you need to do some hard work. Like go at home. You have many sources. Like in the earlier times, we had only books, but you have Google, you have YouTube. Am I right? You have internet facility. You can take the help of internet and make a beautiful topic, prepare at home, and come with full preparation and speak it. Am I right? So what happens, like you when you speak here, so some sort of fear and hesitation is also there, but you have to remove that. Understand? Be like a tiger. Don't fear. Just speak loudly. So why education is important? Education is important because we learn how to behave with others in education. We never harm others. We never kill people without reason. Even with reason also, we should not kill people. And we also learn to be kind for animals even. Understand? Education teaches us that be honest. Don't cheat others. Respect your parents. Respect your teachers. Respect your friends. Help others. Understand? And make this world more happier. Understand? Make this world the happiest place and remove all the problems, all the diseases from this world. Like become a doctor and do research. Understand? Remove diseases from this world. Find out cure of many dangerous diseases. Understand? So education makes us real human beings. Understand? We respect others. Okay, and we also help others. Only goal of education is help others. To help others. Education teaches you help others, be human being, love all, talk with other people with respect and with politeness. Don't insult others. Okay? So this is all what I know about education. Understand? So if you see any person who thinks I am educated, but you see that person doesn't know how to talk with you, even he is doctor, policeman, engineer, teacher, if he doesn't talk properly to you, think he is uneducated. Understand? A person who doesn't talk properly with others, if he is a doctor, you go to doctor and doctor is saying, okay, yes, this is this is your disease and we need this much money and we would perform surgery and we need this much money, this much amount of money for performing this surgery. So if you are poor, if you don't have that much money to pay for the surgery, if doctor can pay by himself and he is not paying, he is a businessman, he is not a doctor, always remember. Understand? So real educated person never run after money. We need money. We should save money, we should earn money, we should do hard work, but we should not be the only lover of money. We should love human beings. Like if some poor student come to me and says me, sir, I don't have money, please teach me spoken English. I will see, yes, definitely he doesn't have money. His parents cannot afford money for paying me. Definitely I should teach him without money. Without freely I should teach him. Understand? So this is the real educated person. So this is what I know about education. That's all. So thank you very much.